Welcome to SPSC online classes, and I am your math teacher. And students, now we are going to start chapter number 11, and the name of chapter 11 is Polygon. It's mean today we will discuss about the polygon. Okay beta, today we will learn in this chapter about the definition of polygon, type of polygons, sum of interior angle, exterior angles, and regular polygons, and about the quadrilateral. It's mean we will discuss these 6 main points today. Fine. Okay, now first one is polygon. Polygon, a plane figure that close in a space using only line segment. Means a plane that close with the line segment. It may be 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines. Fine. And we can classify polygon according to their sides. Got it beta? Okay, now the second topic today is type of polygons. It means we will discuss their main types. So the first one is triangle. So a triangle, 3 sides polygon. The sum of the angles of the triangle must be equal to 180, as we already discussed in the previous classes, and we know that the sum of interior angles of the triangle have 3 angles, so sum of the 3 angles of the triangle must be equal to 180 degree. Got it beta? Okay, now come on the second point. Okay, now the second one is quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals means a shape that have 4 sides, and the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Fine. Okay, the next one is pentagon. 4 sides. Fine. Okay, pentagon, a shape that have 5 sides, and keep in mind that the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equal to 540 degree. Okay, the next one is hexagon, means a 6-side polygon, and the sum of angles of the hexagon is 720 degree. Got it beta? Okay, and the next one is heptagon, means 7 sides and 7 angles. Okay, now octagon, 8 sides, a shape that have 8 sides, and the sum of the angles of the octagon is 1080 degree. Okay, the next one is pentagon, means a shape that have 9 sides, and the sum of angle is 1260 degree. The last one is decagon, a shape that have 10 sides, and the sum of angles is equal to 1440 degree. Got it beta? Okay, the next topic is exterior angle of the polygon. Okay, you can find the exterior angle. Exterior means outside angle, so the sum of exterior angle must be equal to 360 degree of the polygon. Simply you will add all the angles and then you will take the 360 degree. You can find the unknown angles. The next one is, the last slide is interior angles. The next one is interior angles of the polygon. Okay beta, keep in mind that the sum of the measurement of the interior angle of a polygon with n side is a fixed formula, n minus 2 multiply 180. It means you can find the unknown angle, interior angle, by using this formula. Got it beta? Now come on the exercise 11C and page number 288. Okay, now question number 1. Question number 1, they are saying that find the sum of interior angle of each of the following polygons. The first part is 11 gone, and the second part 12 gone, and then they are saying that 15 gone and 20 gones. Fine. So they are asking about the sum of interior angles, and this is the fixed formula of sum of interior angle of n side polygon is equal to, n means the number of sides, minus 2 multiply 180. So question number 1, A part, they are saying that 11 gones. It means a shape that have 11 sides. So simply we will write this formula. We will use this formula, n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. Degree is the unit for angle. So 11 cone means a shape that have 11 sides. So we will put n is equal to 11 minus 2 because n is the number of sides. N is equal to the number of sides. So n, it means this is the value of n. N is equal to 11 minus 2 multiply 180 degree. So 11 minus 2, 9 multiply 180 degree. So when we will multiply, 9 multiply 0, 0, 9 multiply with 8, 72, 2 and 7, 9 multiply with 1, 9 and 7, 16. So 1620 degree. It means the sum of interior angles of 11 cone shape is equal to 1620 degree, and this is your final answer. Got it, beta? You will do the next all the parts. Simply you will put in second part, B part, we put the value of n is equal to 12. So here you will put value of n 12 minus 2 multiply 180. And in the third C part, you will put the value of n is equal to 15 here and 20 in the last part. Fine? Okay, now come on to question number 2. Now question number 2, and I will do only one part. So D part, look at the D part. D part, this is a hexagon shape. Hexagon means a shape that has 6 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sides. And they are saying that find out the unknown angles. One angle is 108 degree and the second one 4D. D means unknown. We don't know about the exact number of this angle. So it's mean we will find the value of D. So beta, first we will find the sum of interior angle, the total sum of interior angle of the hexagon shape. That what is the total sum of interior angle of a hexagon shape. So how we can find? Look at here, as we know that formula for finding the sum of interior angles. So n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. And n means the number of sides. So there are how many numbers of sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means we will put the n is equal to 6 minus 2 multiply 180 degree. So 6 minus 2, 4 multiply 180 degree. So when we will multiply 4 with 180, so 4 multiply with 0, 0, 4 8s are 32, 2 and 3, 4 1s are 4 and 3, 7, 720 degree. It means the sum of interior angle of a hexagon shape is equal to 720. So we will write here, the sum of interior angles of hexagon shape is equal to 720 degree is equal to how many interior angles are here? So you can write here the sum of, as we know, the sum of interior angles is equal to 720 degree. Sum of interior means we will add all the interior angles. So write down all the interior angles. 108 degree plus 4D degree plus 4D degree again plus 5D plus 102 plus 4D degree again is equal to 720. So add the variable number and constant numbers. So 108 and 102 are the constant numbers and the rest all the numbers are variables. So 4D, 4D, 5D, 4D. D is the same variable. And as we know that when variables same during addition and subtraction, so simply we will add the coefficients. So coefficient of first D is 4 and the next one is 4, 5 and 4. These are the coefficients. So 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. 17D degree plus 108 plus 102. 8 plus 2, 10. Then 1 plus 1, 2. So you can check here in the rough side. 108 plus 102. 8 to 10. 112 during addition. Fine. Is equal to 720 degree. So 17D, the constant will move on the other side. The sign will change. Positive sign will convert into the minus sign. 17D, 720 minus 210. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. So D degree is equal to 5. 10 degree divided by 17. 17 will move another side. Here the 17 is multiplying with D. It means 17 will divide on the other side. Fine. So D degree 17 divided by 5. 10 divided by 17. 5. 10 divided by 17. So 17 3s are 51. 3 7s are 21. 1 and 2 3 2 5. 51 and 0 left. It's mean we will write 0 here. 30. D is equal to 30 degree. Fine. And when you will put D here 30, it means this angle will become 120 degree. 120 degree, and when you will put 30 here it will become 150 degree, and this 102 and this one is 120 degree. So you will get 720. Fine. It's mean your answer is correct. Okay, now rest all the parts are your homework. Now come on to question number 3. Question number 3, A part. The first part is find the sum of interior angle of a regular polygon, hexagon. Hexagon means a shape that has 6 sides. So it's mean you will put the value of n is equal to 6. Then you will find the sum of interior angle. Fine. And the next part, hence find the size of each. Each means one interior angle of the regular polygon, of the regular hexagon. So beta, simply you will write this formula for finding the one interior angle. So the size of each interior angle of polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiply 180 divided by 2. It's mean you will divide it n minus 2 multiply 180 divided by n. This is the formula for finding the each interior angles. So n means, as we know that the shape is hexagon. So it means hexagon has 6 sides. 6 minus 2 multiply 180 divided by 6. Then you will find the each interior angle. And the second part, in B part, the first one is find the sum of interior angle of regular polygon with 18 sides. It means you will put the value of n is equal to 18. Then hence find the size of each interior angle. Again you will use this formula and then you will divide by 18. Got it, beta? Okay. Now come on to question number 6, because these are the questions are included in your syllabus. Question 4 and 5 are not included. Fine. Okay, question first part. If one angle is given and one angle is equal to 140 degree, fine, then they are saying that find out the number of sides. It means they are asking about the n. The number of sides, it means they are asking about the n. So how we can find the n? So let's suppose, let the number of sides of regular polygon, you can write here, polygon is equal to n. Fine. Angle of polygon is equal to, this is the fixed formula, keep in mind, n minus 2 multiply 180 degree divided by n. Fine. Now put the value of each means one interior angle, and that is given 140 degree here is equal to n minus 2 multiply 180 degree divided by n. So n will move on other side, it will multiply with 140, multiply with n is equal to 180 will multiply with n just first, then it will become 180 n minus 2 will multiply with 180, it will become 360 degree. So 140 n is equal to 180 degree n minus 360. So as we are finding n value, then arrange the numbers, constant number on one side and variable number will write on the other side. So 360 will move here, and then variable numbers means n is a variable number, variable, so 140 will move on the other side, it will become minus 140 degree n. So 180 minus 140, 40 degree n is equal to 360. Leave the n here as we are finding the n value. So 36 degree divided by 40. 0 with cancel with the 0. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. So 9 is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. Fine. N is equal to 9. This is the n means the number of side is 9. Got it beta? So 140 is one angle of a shape that have 9 sides. It's mean nenagon. A shape is nenagon, and this is your final answer. Got it beta? Okay, now do the practice of all the next all the parts. And now question number 7. Come on to question number 7. If the size of the interior angle of pentagon are these are the size of 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x and 6, find the largest interior angle. It's mean what you will do, first you will write the formula. As we know that the sum of interior angles of a pentagon shape means a side that have 5 sides. Fine. So first you will put the value of n is equal to 5, find out the sum of interior angles, then you will write just like this one. Question number 7. As the shape is pentagon, means pentagon have 5 sides. So first you will find the sum of interior angles of a pentagon shape. Here you can write here first sum of interior angles of pentagon. Fine. Pentagon shape is equal to n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. So penta means how many sides of penta? 5. 5 minus 2 multiply 180 degree, and write down this all the angles, given angles. These are 2x plus sum means we will add all the interior angle, 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x. So add these angles, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, 10, 14 and 6. 20x is equal to 5 minus 2, 3 multiply 180 degree. So 20x is equal to 3 multiply with 180, 0, 3 adds are 24, 520. So leave the x here, 520 divide by 20. So find out x value. You will divide it and find out the value of x. Got it better? Okay. Now the next question is last question number 8. The exterior angles of a triangle are these are the exterior angle. Find the value of y. Exterior angle, as we know that the sum of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to 360. So you will find the first you will write these all the angles in addition form. 3y plus 4y plus 5y is equal to 360. Then you will find the value of y. Find the smallest interior angle. Then you will put the value of y in each angle. Then you will check that which one is the smallest. Got it, beta? Okay, thank you. Do the practice of these other questions in your notebook.
Polygons, those geometric shapes found everywhere. Can you see that sign over there? Look at that kite. I'm going to draw them in my sketchbook. Wow, all these objects are polygons. A polygon is a plane figure described by a closed polygonal line. Look at these shapes. Can you see a polygon? The first shape is not a polygon because its polygonal line is not closed. The second shape is not a polygon either because it has a curved side. That's it! The third shape is a polygon because it's formed by a closed polygonal line. Polygons are formed in several parts. The sides are each of the lines or segments that form the polygon. The vertices are the points where all sides meet. The angles are the space determined between two adjacent sides. The diagonals are the segments that connect two non-adjacent vertices. We can classify them in different ways: regular or irregular, and depending on the number of their sides. A regular polygon has all sides and angles equal. An irregular polygon does not have all angles, nor all sides equal. Here you can see some examples of regular and irregular polygons. Polygons can also be classified depending on the number of their sides. Triangles are those polygons that have 3 sides. This slice of pizza has a triangular shape. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides. This sandwich or this kite are quadrilaterals. Pentagons have 5 sides. This swimming pool has the shape of a pentagon. Hexagons have 6 sides. These honeycomb cells have the shape of a hexagon. There are many types of polygons, but to learn how to read them, you need to use the corresponding prefix. It's very easy. A 7-sided polygon is a heptagon, and an 8-sided polygon, it's an octagon, and so on. Let's recap everything we learned about polygons. They are plane figures described by a closed polygonal line. They are formed by parts, sides, vertices, angles, and diagonals. They can be classified in regular or irregular, and also depending on the number of their sides. Like math, polygons are everywhere. You only need to look around you and pay close attention.